A major update that all SHIB holders should see has just been released by Shytoshi, CEO of the Shiba ecosystem. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own SHIB tokens. Is there any fresh information on Shiba Inu coins, and if so, how will it impact their value? All of this new information about Shiba Inu that has recently surfaced will be answered in today's video, along with any questions you may have. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. You can join by Tunix at the link in the description if you're interested in trading Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage. Right now, there is a special deposit bonus offer that I am offering. Feel free to check out the exchange, it's open to everyone. However, before we go into our subject, how about we check out the Shiba price chart for May 26th? Approximately 2,440 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With $291 million in trading activity, SHIB's price has fallen 2% in the past 24 hours. With a market cap of more than $14.3 billion, the token is now the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. Be advised that some prices may have undergone changes by the time you view this video. Please note that the information provided here is not intended to operate as financial advice. My most recent call was 4 times in 3 days, so if you're interested in joining my free Telegram group, you should definitely do so. Those that put in $1,000 ended up with more than $4,000. The response has been phenomenal, and you're truly leaving money on the table if you haven't joined yet. We can begin today's video now. An important blockchain indicator has increased during the past 24 hours, indicating that the Shiba Inu ecosystem's Shibarium network has been very active. The transaction volume increased significantly, according to Shibarium Scan, going from 5,150 to 7,930, a surge of 60%. At the same time that the amount of transactions surged, network fees also rose sharply. From 16.68 BONE to 32 BONE, the amount of BONE tokens utilized to pay these fees increased throughout the same period. According to Shibarium's transaction model, a portion of the BONE tokens are converted into SHIB and destroyed after being utilized for transaction fees. Because fewer Shiba tokens are available for circulation as a result of this burning process, their value may rise gradually. There are a number of factors that are causing this increase in network activity. Shiba Inu tokens have become more popular among investors due to the recent market instability, which has increased the demand for Shibarium transactions. The network's active accounts increased from 687 to 781, a 13% rise, indicating this increased engagement. In particular, the number of active users increased, but the number of new accounts created decreased little, indicating that the current user base is driving this upsurge in activity. The growth and possible future value appreciation of the network seem to be being propelled by the twin benefits of increasing transaction volumes and the systematic reduction of SHIB tokens through burning. The current state of affairs is probably motivating SHIB fans to keep participating and putting money into the Shiba and the new network. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. You can support the channel without spending a dime. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. Certification as an ETF for Shiba Inu. Investors in cryptocurrencies are entering a new age. This year was a watershed moment for the digital asset industry, as the Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs were both approved. This change in fortunes marked a dramatic elevation in profile within the financial industry. Equal investment opportunities will be made available to those with more sound assets. Is the possibility of a Shiba, an exchange-traded fund, popping up soon? What cryptocurrency will emerge after Bitcoin and Ethereum has already been a topic of conversation. By 2025, Standard Chartered Bank expects to see revised ETFs for Ripple and Solana, but if market cap's second largest meme coin got its own version of the investment vehicle, it would truly be the beginning of a new age. The Shiba ETF is a brand new investment vehicle that is changing the game. There have been 2 watershed moments in the cryptocurrency market during the past few months. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to receive a spot exchange-traded fund ETF in the US. Ethereum was the next cryptocurrency to receive approval from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, and it only took 5 months. Many were taken aback by the second part, as analysts had been assuming that the ETH offering would be delayed for a while. Then, as everyone is wondering what asset might be the next one to get an ETF, another huge shock might be on the way. To be more precise, what would happen if an ETF was designated for a Shiba Inu? Next, with a market cap of $14 billion, SHIB is the second largest meme coin according to CoinMarketCap. it lags somewhat behind Dogecoin yet stands out from the crowd. Shiba Inu is a valuable asset that is always looking for new ways to be useful, which boosts its potential in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu. New creator Shytoshi Kusama recently addressed Prospect, and the SHIB army has accepted the notion. Kusama recently applauded Ethereum and wondered if the approval did indeed open the door for SHIB in a message to X, the former Twitter. Having said that, Kusama did say that he will keep his mind on the upcoming events. Further, he cautioned SHIB investors to keep an eye on the article because it might potentially trigger a market shift. Also, SHIB would get access to institutional investors for the first time and make record-breaking profits. The Ethereum ETF, on the other hand, has already shown a turning point. There is a lot of room for growth because Wall Street seems just as prepared as before to completely absorb the industry. So why not Shiba Inu? The meat of today's video is about to begin. 200,000 Shibas in the past 24 hours. When will whales return? Transactions on huge wallets appear to be rising, reaching around 2 trillion, suggesting that Shiba and the new whales are about to wake up. It may be premature to celebrate due to the market's lack of momentum, and the transfers in question may have more to do with the redistribution of capital than with any meaningful impact on the price. Transactions are occurring within the Shiba Inu network, according to new data. Over the past 24 hours, a total of 147 significant transactions have taken place, with a combined value of 1.9 trillion SHIB. Following a 7-day low of 82 transactions on May 19, 2024, the activity is on the upswing. To start with, market heavyweights are probably merely repurposing their ownership stakes. The restructuring of internal wallets in anticipation of future market movements or a more basic redistribution of assets for liquidity reasons might be the reason behind this transfer of monies. The overall sentiment towards SHIB was relatively unchanged. Despite all of this driving up the volume of transactions, there was no discernible upward movement in price, and it remained near 2,400 units. By maintaining a reading above the neutral 50-point line, the relative strength index further validated the absence of purchasing power. Despite these possible ramifications, the mere visibility of such whales' actions does not prove that the price will inevitably rise. These huge shifts can be the result of existing holders reinvesting their cash rather than fresh investment, according to market dynamics. There was, at most, a negligible impact on the price effect in that respect. In addition to SHIB staying inside a narrow horizontal range, a bull run for SHIB would need persistent purchasing pressure and general market optimism. The indicators are pointing to a possible bullish breakout, but it is too early to tell. With a watchful eye on the level market action, investors are keeping an eye on the support and resistance zones at 2,200 units and 2,600 units, respectively, because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world worth of SHIB. Many of our subscribers state that they will not sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them. Tell me how many are in your possession? Leave a comment below detailing your SHIB holdings. Let us give the SHIB holder props for having faith in what's happening. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it. In the space provided, please provide your thoughts about the Shiba Inu token. Additionally, to ensure that you are notified whenever we upload a new video, be sure to enable post notifications. Contrary to popular belief, SHIB isn't the sole project worth considering right now. For the impending bull run, I have actually compiled a list of the top cryptocurrencies to invest in. Look at the video that's playing right now. You just must not miss it, believe me.